Welcome back to Master Designs, folks. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Super Android 17 from Dragon Ball GT. If you guys must know, you thought that... I know that Android 17 was one of the main heroes in the Tournament of Power of Dragon Ball Super, but here's a known fact about him. You see, Android 17, he was also a villain in Super Dragon Ball Heroes, but truth be told, I don't know much about Android 17. It's been a blur, but it's basically two Android 17s merged into one. Basically, it's like the Android 17 from created by Dr. Gero merged with the Android 17 from Dragon Ball Super. At least I think that's what it is called. But if you guys have any information on what Android 17, Super Android 17 is, please let me know in the comments below, please. Anyways, let's get started on drawing him. Another fact about Android 17, Super Android 17, he was also one of the main villains in the Super Dragon Ball Heroes Big Bang Mission, when he was a henchman for Fu, who was trying to get the power of the universe seed, the universe tree, at its disposal to transform him to create his own universe. But I don't know when Goku is gonna fight Super Android 17 again, but we'll find out real soon. I bet Xeno Goku's gonna fight him. Okay, so here's the Red Ribbon Army symbol on his belt. Because he was once a creation of the Red Ribbon Army. Alexa, play Dragon Soul.
Dragon Soul by Chris Allen Hess on Amazon Music.
If you ask me, Super Android 17 would have been a great hero. He does look like one, though. I don't know why he was evil, though. I'll give you strength. You give me love, that's how we'll live. My courage won't fail.
will never win. We will fight for love and glory. We will live to tell the story. There's nothing we can't live through. Nothing ever dies. We will rise again. Don't stop, we're in life now. Don't stop, keep your spirit proud. And ride upon the wind. All we have to do is go. Don't stop, we're in life now. Don't stop, there's so much to be found. We can find paradise. All we have to do is go, free your soul. Dragon Soul. Mysteries abound, made up of deep energy. Flows all around.
Okay, next up, when you start drawing him, you must draw the absorbers on his hands. It's kind of like how Android 20 and Android 19 had that power.
My enemies will never win. We will fight for love and glory.
Okay,
Tell the story.
be sure to draw his fingers here.
We can't live through. Nothing ever dies. We will rise again. Don't stop, we're in life now. Don't stop, keep your spirit proud. And ride upon the wind. All we have to do is go. Don't stop, we're in life now. Don't stop,
There we go.
much to be found.
Next up are his pants.
Paradise.
Forgive me if the paper is too small.
Free your soul. Dragon Soul.
And done. Let me just draw the lines here. And that is how you draw Super Android 17. Pretty awesome, huh? I know it's not much, but at least I got some of it done. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. But Alexa, stop. Alexa, stop. I'm glad I got it done. I get the feeling that the Android 17 from Dragon Ball Super might become Super Android 17 one of these days. Eventually, Goku is gonna have to fight him and destroy him. I don't know why though, but I also get this feeling that Krillin is also going to die in Dragon Ball GT as well. Oh wait, that already happened. All the characters you know are gonna fade away in Dragon Ball GT, but they are gonna make a comeback in Dragon Ball Super and Super Dragon Ball Heroes. Only the future knows for sure when they're gonna return, and what Bandai has in store for them. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you guys know what character I'll draw you guys next. See ya!